Hey everybody. Well, I thought I'd go ahead and do a quick walk around of the night of the Civic hatchback at night, showing you the LED lighting that I put in here. Starting with the LED headlights. They did come halogen when I bought the car. I swapped the low beams to LED. I've also swapped the side markers, the front side markers to LED. I am going to do my high beams. I may do my fog lights LED, but I'm not really sure on that one. Maybe I can get a fog light kit, LED fog light housing that has the LED fixed into it to kind of make everything match. Making everything match with the daytime running light. Coming around to the back, you have the LED tail light along with the brake light being incandescent, but I swapped the brake light to LED. In the tail lights, the two brake lights, I swapped them to LED to make the third brake light match. The tail light is already LED. The running light is already LED. The license plate light is also LED coming from the factory. So what I did, I changed the two brake lights in the tail light, and I swapped the reverse light to LED. I didn't do my turn signals. I wasn't going to do that again. I had trouble with that. Every time I try to do it, they seem to go out quick. But here's the output. And it's real good output with the LEDs and the projectors. It really puts out that, that throw that I'm looking for, and it doesn't blind anybody. It looks like it comes factory. I'll show you the inside real quick, and then I'll end the video. You can see my interior is LED. I got the LEDs from for the interior from Walmart. They sell them. I think they're $168. I also did the rear as well, and also did the beeping is to let you know the key is out of the vehicle. I also did the LED in the cargo area. Alright guys, that was just a quick 3-minute video. If you have any questions about this car or what color it is, it's a polished metal metallic. It's a gray, same as the 12 Civic that I had. But if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Alright guys, take care.